everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm here with the lovely Lucy and we're going to be showing you two, not one but two, really easy updos with a twist braid. So dead simple, dead quick. I hope you like them. Let's get started. Okay, so I've left a few little bits out, guys, that's optional, and I want this to be really quick and simplistic. So if you wanted to make it a bit fancier, you could add a little bit of back comb here, you know, get a little bit more lift, but I'm not going to bother with that today. I'm just brush Lucy's hair through, and I've also just used a little bit of wax spray, so I'm just misting it over, taking my fingers or a comb and just working that product through. And I probably will put a little bit in the pony as well. And now you're going to split the hair into two. And you're just going to cross it over like that. And we're going to go again. And we're going to go again. Keep going for me, not too tight. And then I'm just going to pop a bobble in or elastic in the bottom there. Now you can't really let go, because if I let go the whole thing's going to untwist on me, okay, because I haven't sort of done a proper twist braid today, I've just crossed them over. But before I go any further, I'm just going to tease out this top bit just a little bit. I can do a little bit after. Now you're going to get this twist braid and you're just going to bring it up. It's got to be in this direction. You can't go the other way because it'll untwist, okay? So just bring it up like that. And then back around. And then I'm just going to pop this tail underneath. And then I'm going to take some long hairpins, guys. And we're just going to pin that to the head. And then this is optional, but I am just going to go through and just carry on with that teasing that I started at the beginning. So I did tell you, dead quick, simple and easy. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So don't go anywhere, guys, because I've got one more style to show you. So next one, guys, I'm just going to use my wax spray again. So I'm kind of angling the hair over this way. And then you'll just pop a bobble or hair tie over on this side here. Next, what I want you to do, guys, is just try and make a little bit of a hole through there, okay? And then you're going to bring this ponytail through that hole. So the easiest way to do it is kind of twist the ponytail a little bit and grab the ends. Don't try and grab that bit. So the very ends like that. Pull your ends through and then kind of push the rest of it through there. And then again, guys, you're going to break this into two and we're just going to start another little twist braid again. So I'm just popping an elastic in there, guys. We're then going to take this twist and we're just going to kind of pin it up there, but I am just going to flip this tail in so that we can't see it. Again, you're going to take those long grips and just secure that to the head. So second style is done, guys. I'm going to do a little spin for you. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next Wednesday for another video. Bye.